Okay, so your objective now is to model what I have on this screen, okay, over on your screen. So you're going to get started with basic 2D shapes. When you're drawing 2D shapes, you just want to make sure that you're in the green and red area. So right now, my orientation's no good. I want to hit O for orient, and I kind of want to make my screen kind of a bird's eye view. I am also using two fingers at this time to either zoom in by pushing forward or pulling back. That guy is important because I want to be around this height, this distance, because I'm creating shapes that are 10 foot by 10 foot. So I'm going to start with this shape right here. All right, back in the back. So I create an L, a line, and I'm just going to start by creating a green line that's 10 foot long. So I'm going to type in, so I clicked, drug up, but instead of like trying to figure my length of 10 feet and going up that high, I'm going to just type in the number 10 and hit the feet sign. I want to make sure that my keyboard is on US keyboard, not international, because if it is, it's going to put it in inches and that will be wrong. So I locked that in by hitting enter. Now I want to make a red line. So you can see I didn't click anything. I just started dragging from that endpoint, hitting 10 feet, enter. I got my 10 foot. Now I'm going to come down in green. This will be easier because I can actually just kind of make sure that I hit that. And there we go. And red, I got my square. All right. So there's my square, and I want to now do my rectangle. So from this, I could just, I could keep it. I don't want it on the blue axis. Blue axis means I'm going to build it up in the air. See how that dotted line? I don't want to do that. So I could just do it on the green. That means it's going to be in line with that shape right there. And I'm going to do it right there to there. That's about 10 feet. Let's make it 10 feet. Just be sure. 5 feet. Boom, boom, done. Now you're saying, oh, they're in the wrong order. Okay, so I can click on my shape by hitting M for move. You see that tool comes in, and I want to just get that whole shape. See how all those dotted lines are there? I can move that out of the way, and then I can move this one down here, and this one over here. All right. Boom. All right, now I'm going to scroll over here, and I'm going to start with my polygons. So you get that. This is my polygons right here. I click this button, click this out, put my polygons. You'll see right when I come out here, here, this is important for you to see. So let's do this. Okay, right now we have 6 sides down here. I want that to be 6 sides if I'm doing the hexagon, or I could change it to 3 sides and then hit enter. It changes it to a triangle. I could 100 sides, hit enter. It looks like a circle. I could put 4 sides and make my rectangle or square. Okay, so in this case, 6 sides, enter, and I can put my hexagon. So I put my hexagon in, and notice I could use that green line right there. I could put it on red, green, or red. That just orients that, right? Now I let go, and I want to type in an inscribed radius of, checking my file, that's 8 feet all the way across. So that means an inscribed radius of 4 feet. So if I click back in here, that's 4. I'll have to do it again. 4 feet, enter. I'm going to get rid of this one by erasing it. All right, now I got my hexagon. Now I want a circle. Come in, circle, drag out my circle. How big do I want it? Diameter of 8. That means it's a 4-foot radius. I got my circle. Then I want my triangle, so I can come in here, polygon, type in 3, enter. Now I got my triangle. I want to make sure it's facing the way that this one is. So green, 3-foot inscribed radius, done. I got all my shapes. That's the 2-dimensional shapes, okay? So there's that.